When you click on the image, it will take you to Voicethread, and it will take you directly to the assessment. What I would like you to do is to read what I've put over here and then leave me a comment. For a comment, you can leave text, you can leave a voice recorded message, you can leave a video, or you can upload something that you previously recorded. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to add text. Hit save, and it will show up right there. Don't like what you've done? You can edit, or you can dispose of this one, delete this comment, and start again. It's just as easy as that.